my brothers and sisters of Samoa. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Ieru, one of a ring. They're on the shore. She waits so patiently. Everybody, one more time. Samoa, Marie. Thank you, everybody, because I'm from the Bay of Plenty in North Island, New Zealand. And I started off, first of all, I want to thank Samoa for making my song so popular. I never knew it. So I never came, but I finally came now. And it's fantastic to be here with beautiful people and beautiful beaches, but most of all, the beautiful people. Teuila. As I wrote a lot of songs for my sisters. And that was my most popular one, and the one I just did. But this one is also very popular. I wrote it for my youngest sister, and her name is